Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're being super negative. No positivity in this video at all. Everyone loves negativity. If you go on Amazon and have a look at a product that's got 100 positive reviews and one negative, that negative review will have all that power, will have the extra sort of weight when you're deciding to purchase it. So this video is the Pixel 6 Pro negatives. Now, I think most of you have probably guessed definitely one of the negatives on the 6 Pro, and that is the on-screen, under-display fingerprint sensor. I don't like on-screen fingerprint sensors anyway. I do prefer the back or side-mounted on a power button. This one on here is very unreliable. It is very slow as well. Now, I have seen some videos where Google have pushed out an update, but I've manually checked on here. There's no updates available to me yet in the UK. And let me have a quick look. About phone. Build number is SD1A 210817.036. That's the build number I have on this Pixel 6 Pro at the moment. The fingerprint sensor is so unreliable, really slow as well, and it can get quite annoying. So that is the first negative. I'm waiting for this update, hopefully, to fix this, which should make my experience a little bit better. Now, my second bug regarding the Pixel 6 Pro is adaptive brightness. I don't think adaptive brightness works very well, mainly at night time. So if I'm sitting down in the living room, it goes too dark sometimes. If I turn it up or down a little bit, it might change. But overall, I think adaptive brightness on here, I haven't really enjoyed. I do sort of manually set it myself now when I go to bed, or whatever sort of environment I'm in. I will manually adjust the brightness on the 6 Pro, because even when I go to bed, it should dim all the way down. But it doesn't. It's like really bright, it doesn't dim down, so I have to manually dim down the screen myself. Yeah, so that is the second bad point. Okay, so this is the third and final negative point regarding the Pixel 6 Pro, and that is if you're mainly in WhatsApp, but other apps as well. I open WhatsApp, I open a conversation, I then go to share a picture, and it opens up your gallery, it tries to load your gallery. But as I'm scrolling through, it's taking so long for the pictures to sort of refresh and display what's actually there. There's mainly grey tiles as I'm scrolling down, which should be happening on a flagship device. So it does that sort of in Twitter and Facebook as well when you're trying to upload a picture from your gallery. If you go straight to the camera itself and into the gallery, then it's fine. But when you're using it in conjunction with another app, and you're trying to upload pictures or videos, I don't think this phone loads them up quick enough for me personally. It takes a little bit too long for my liking. And one bonus bug as well. The operating system and some apps are a little bit sensitive. So every now and again I will get these crashes. So the system UI will crash. And quite recently as well, YouTube Studio crashes. Facebook used to do that as well. I think that's improved slightly though than what it was maybe a couple of weeks ago. But yeah, that's another one as well. Okay, so that's it. That's my negative points on the Pixel 6 Pro. I will be doing a review on this. I've been waiting a little bit longer for these sort of problems to be ironed out. I'm hoping I'm going to get an update soon. But yeah, I will do a full review on this very soon. So make sure you do hit that subscribe button as well to make sure you... Oh, no. So make sure you do hit that subscribe button as well, so when I do have that review available, you'll know straight away. And obviously click that notification bell as well. So thank you all very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.